Welcome to my video, and gang members and non-gang members. I want to show you a couple stocks, Johnson & Johnson, McDonald, on how you can apply these using the PT2. So easy. The reason why I'm picking those two, Johnson & Johnson, McDonald, because they're in everybody's pension fund. Every money manager puts them in the pension fund. These are the easiest ones to invest in. And this is what I mean, easy. The PT2 identifies for us through a color code. Red is when not to buy or to sell short. Green is when to buy. We set it up so that we have what we call a crossover. So this has got to cross over first. So once this crosses over, you can't buy until this red line crosses the yellow. This is a line that you don't have to know what it means. It's just so you know, it's just momentum. In other words, when we're working a stock, okay, and we're, and I don't care what stock it is, it's the amount of stock that's being purchased that identifies how much your stock price is going to move up. So it's the amount of purchasing that moves your stock price up. What this is the momentum. In other words, the price moves first and this follows behind it. You don't even have to really know that. I'm just making a point what this is. So it measures the it measures the momentum in which people are buying. The steeper the angle, the more the momentum. That's all you need to know. So for the sake of buying, here you are. It just simply tells you to buy. Now you wait. When it turns green, you wait the second day until you got experience. Then you can buy the same day. The third day here is where you would have bought. Now you add to your position when this day engulfs the body. Okay? You got to wait till it engulfs the body, not the wick. We don't care about the wick or tail. We don't care about the wick or tail, just the body, the base of the body. So like this guy here engulfed this guy right here. It was a little bit bigger. Okay. This one here, about the same. So if they're about the same, you can add to your position. You never add to your position when you got these wicks. See the tails and these are all dojis. So you have to know what they are. Okay. So on your way up, this guy here, you could add to your position because it's bigger than this, and so forth, all right? Now, when you get up towards this 90% up here, she'll start angling out. See it right here? And this is when you're pretty much done. And we suggest that you take most of your profits up here, okay? We call this, we call it your phase 2, okay? When you get up towards 90%, just take your profit. If you want to leave some in, you can. But you don't, but it's so simple. Green, you buy. It's crossed over. It's all I got to look at. I crossed over here. I'm going to buy in the second day. I'm going to add when it's bigger than the previous day. It's so simple. Now what's going to happen is it'll turn red. After it may turn red for a couple of days. And this eventually, when this crosses over like this, then you sell short and you make your money all the way back down. How easy is that? Okay, and the reason why I'm doing this one with you is because this is a very popular one. Another one is 3M. Okay, another one is, I'm Johnson & Johnson, sorry. It's in everybody's portfolio. Oh, here's what I want to tell you too. When you have a stock on PT2 and you have what they call a cluster, a tight cluster, what's that mean? Makes it powerful. See how tight this is, this side here? See how tight they are, how narrow the range is between here? See, the tighter they are, okay, the more powerful it is. So on your way up, if you recognize you got really tight, okay, then wide, the tighter they are, the more powerful they are. But that will reflect here because this will be up on a different angle, like this. If it starts getting wider, then this will start, this angle would be more like this here, see? The angle would be more like this. Like that. You see, that's how it works, okay? All right. But you haven't even know any of this stuff. All you need to know, turns green, second day, third day, buy it. Turns red, second day, third day, short it. It's that simple, okay? Now, that's McDonald's. The next one is Johnson & Johnson. Watch this one. Turned red, then green. You had 2 days, third day you buy it. Here's your crossover right here. How simple is that? And all you did is stay in it. Stay in it. And you add when the previous day is higher than the other day, when your body is bigger than the previous day. Like this body's bigger than this day. That's all it is. That's it. And my voice comes on. How much harder can that be? That's simple. But the key is on the other side. Okay, you make money when it turns red. That's the key right there. That's what you want to do. See, to make money in the market, let me see if I can find, let's say, yeah. Well, yeah, in other words, you want to make money on both sides. See this here, when it turned from green to red, you sell it short. Why not? Why not? I mean, look, even from here, she was green, she turned red. Down from here to here, you stay with it. Why not? It's not hard. See, the problem is you always were told you make money on the way up, and that's it. Are you kidding? What about on the way down? When she starts on the way back down, and this is crossed over here, right, going down, why not? Make that extra money. Would you buy a car with forward but no reverse? Of course not. So that's it. So what I'm asking you to do is go to my site tonight, and you can also get some other videos you can look at. I'll show you how we did this video tells you what's going on in the market, what I think is going to happen. I'll do another new one. Every Monday I do a new one. I mean, every Wednesday I do a new one, okay? This one here, steel, 140%. My gold stocks, using the PT, using this guy here. I mean, it's unbelievable. Look at this. We're not making this stuff up. GDX, we caught it right here. She crossed over right here. How perfect is that? AU, another one we caught. 64% and 123%. Look at this. She crossed over. Beautiful. And look, right here, this crossed back down here. It was red, you sell short. Okay? And these are on my videos, okay? So check it out. And this is all for people who have absolutely no time. No time, okay? All right. Check it out and join the gang. See you on the chart.